Hello, in this video tutorial I will demonstrate you how you can separate and edit groups with the example of a garage. Please note that the functions in this video tutorial require the cadvilla version 9 or higher. In the first step of this video tutorial we will place a garage from our catalog in this area of the 3D view, which is this area in the 2D view. Therefore, we zoom a bit into the 2D view. And before we add the garage to our project, we will define the garage's position with the help of guidelines. Therefore, we select 2D and Layout, 2D Guidelines, Guideline, and for example the numeric parallel guideline, or we close this window and we press the shortcut P for the function numeric parallel guideline. The first guideline goes from this line into this direction in a distance of, for example, 3.50 meters. We confirm with Enter. One more guideline from this line into this direction in a distance of 2 meters. We confirm again with Enter. Afterwards we can press Escape. We zoom now a bit more into the view. And now we select the catalog, groups, exterior, garage, misc, and here we select, for example, the garage and carport 4, and we open the preview window of the garage with a double left mouse click. The preview window opens and we can turn the garage by pressing and holding the left mouse button and moving the mouse. We can also zoom in and zoom out by holding the right mouse button and moving the mouse. The garage looks okay and we confirm with OK. Now we select the garage again. We press and hold the left mouse button and we drag it into the 3D view, or like in our case, into the 2D view. The garage is now on our cursor and we can place it with a left mouse click. For example here. Afterwards we press Escape. Now we select the garage again with a left mouse click. We zoom a bit into the view. And now we select the function Move with Reference Point, or we press the shortcut R for the function Move with Reference Point. This is our reference point, and we move the garage to this section point which we defined with the help of guidelines. After it we press Escape. In the next step we will separate the group of our garage, and we will delete the left-hand wall and connect then the garage with our house. The current width of our garage is 3.35 meters. After deleting the wall, the width of our garage will be 3.50 meters. Now we select our garage with a left mouse click, right mouse button and separate group. The group is separated and we zoom a bit out of the view. Now we select the wall at the left side and we press Delete. By deleting this wall, we have to extend the lower and the upper wall. Therefore, we press the shortcut V for the function Extend Wall. We select this wall and we extend it to this wall. And we select the lower wall, this wall, and we extend it to this wall. Afterwards we can press Escape. Because we closed the gaps in the walls, the labeling of our garage has changed. As you can see, it's called now Room 3. We select the labeling, we make a double left mouse click on it, and we enter under name Garage. After it we confirm with OK. We press Escape, and in the next step we will change the position and the dimensions of our garage door. Therefore we zoom a little bit into the view. We select the garage door with a left mouse click. We could open now the properties by a double left mouse click, or we press the right mouse button and select Properties. The properties open, and here at Width we enter, for example, 2.70 meters. We press Tab to confirm, and we click on OK. We press Escape, and now we control the dimensions of the garage door. Therefore we press the shortcut D for the function measure. From this point to this point, 2.70 meters, that's correct, and we press Escape. In the next step we will position the garage door in the middle of the wall. Therefore we select the garage door with a left mouse click. Now we select the function Move. We could press now the right mouse button, select Constructional Support and Center Point, or we close those windows and we press the shortcut M for the function Center Point. We select a start point, that's this point, and the second point is here. We press Escape, and our garage door was now successfully positioned in the middle of the wall. We zoom a bit out of the view, and in the next step we will define a new position for the door. Therefore we use again the help of guidelines. We press the shortcut P for the function numeric parallel guideline, and we enter a guideline from this line into this direction in a distance of 1 meter. We confirm with Enter and press Escape. Now we select the door, we press the shortcut R for the function Move with Reference Point. This is the reference point, and we move the door to this point. Now we define the properties of the door. Therefore we make a double left mouse click on the already selected door. The properties open, and we enter for the height, for example 2.10 meters, and we confirm with Tab. We click on OK. And finally we also change the opening hinge of the door. Therefore we make a right mouse click and we select Change Opening Hinge. We press Escape, and in the next step we will also make some changes on the window in the garage. Therefore we select the 3D view and we zoom a bit into the view. We select again the 2D view, we select the window, we make a right mouse click and we select Properties. Here we enter for the width, for example 2.50 meters, we press Tab. For the height, for example 0.60 meters, Tab. And for the sill height 1.50 meters, Tab. We can take a look at the window in the preview window, that's correct, and we confirm with OK. We press Escape. We can see in the 3D view that the appearance of our window has changed, and we zoom out of the view again. Now we select the roof, we press the right mouse button and we select Properties. In the first step, we click on 3D to open the preview window, and we maximize the preview window for a better overview. We want to convert our roof now into a flat roof. Therefore, we select the first roof side with a left mouse click, and we enter for the pitch, for example, 3%. Afterwards, we press Tab. Now we select the second roof side with a left mouse click. At Profile, we select a random profile and select Gable again. Now we enter for the overhang 0 meters. We press Tab, and after it we can confirm with OK. We press Escape and we can see that the appearance of the roof has changed. Now we delete the 2 remaining wooden claddings. Therefore we select the first one in the 3D view, press Delete, and the same for the second one. That's done. And if we take now a closer look at our 3D view, we can see that 2 walls cut into the wall of the main house. We take a closer look and we can see that we have to make some changes on this and this wall. Therefore we select the 2D view, we select this wall with a left mouse click, right mouse button Properties. At the point Height we select Automatic and we confirm with OK. We press Escape and we do the same thing with the second wall. We open the properties with a double left mouse click, select Automatic for the height and confirm with OK. We press Escape and we can see that the garage walls don't cut anymore into the walls of the house. We zoom now a bit more into the 3D view and we can see that there's a ceiling in our garage what we don't need anymore. So we select it with a left mouse click and we press Delete. We zoom out of the view again into a position with a good overview. And finally we will transfer the yellow texture of our house to the wall of the garage. Same for the roof texture. Therefore we select 3D Functions and Transfer Material. We select the source material, the yellow color of our house. We press the Shift key to copy the texture coordinates and we transfer the texture to the garage walls. After it, we select again the function Transfer Material. The source material is the roof texture of the house. We press and hold the Shift key again and we transfer the texture to the garage roof. After it, we can press Escape. Finally, we can take a look at our finished defined garage. Thanks for watching. For more tutorials, visit our website cadvilla.com.